US slapped 25% tariff penalty on India. When Henry Kissinger said, America has no permanent friend or enemy, only interest and benefits. He was right. US President Donald Trump has penalized India with 25% tariff. It is going to be followed from 1st August 2025. The reason mentioned is India-Russia trade deals and friendly behavior towards each other. Now let's look at this diplomatically. Indian PM Shri Narendra Modi visited US 11 times in his term, even supported in current presidential election campaign. Both leaders shared global platform together, but US is tough to trust is well proven by its recent actions. Recently, President Donald Trump has seen talking in favor of Pakistan Army Chief Amir Munir after Pahalgam terror attack. Now it's discussed about 25% tariff attack on India. A 25% import duty bill applied on Indian goods entering USA over and above existing tariffs. It is additional penalty which India has to pay apart from already applied duties. For example, Indian textile product have demand in USA. Currently, USA imports at tariff of 6 to 9%, but after new duty charge and penalty, India has to pay rising amount of 31 to 41%, which is huge. Let's talk about its effects on India. USA is India's largest trading partner in goods. In financial year 2024-2025, bilateral trade between both nations reached 186 billion US dollar. India imports to USA is 86 billion and India import from USA was 45 billion dollar. This results India at trade surplus of 41 billion dollars and India gained trade benefits. Let's see major goods and services exactly exchanged between both nations. India export to USA are drugs, auto and vehicles parts, petroleum products, telecom, ready-made garments, iron, steel and gold gems and stones. India imports include crude oil, natural gas, coal, polished diamonds, electric machinery, gold, aircraft parts and spacecraft parts. Thus, this increased tariff and penalty imposed by USA on India is going to reduce demand of Indian goods and services in USA.